So you're looking at the location of my new home theater. It's going to be a big upgrade in every conceivable way. As you can see, this is a 10-foot wall, and it's going to have about 150, 165 inch screen. Yeah, I'm going to give you kind of a wide shot here to give you kind of like a bigger scale. So the room's 21. It's going to be about 21 by about 21 roughly, and it's going to have a 1-foot step down here. I don't think you can see it, but I'll give you a shot. So it's going to have a 1-foot step down, and it's going to have about 11 feet in the front of the room and about 10 and a half in the back. So it's going to have it'll have two rows of seats. I'm thinking about five seats per row, so maximum capacity about 10 people. I may bring my current 8 chairs that I have. I'm not going to do in-wall speakers, but I am thinking about running wiring through the wall just in case I want to change my mind in the future. But I'm going to have a tower speaker here, and I'm going to have tower, center, tower, and then some wides. And I'm thinking about putting I'm going to have a set of surrounds for each row of speakers. So this thing is going to be taken to 11 basically. I'm going to take this theater is the end game theater for, at least for me. But yeah, obviously this is going to be finished. This is going to be finished with drywall and like studs and stuff. So here, 1-foot step down, like I said. It's hard to kind of picture since there's really no chair there. We're gonna have like some steps going on each side here. Steps down there. There's a sump pump actually here, and so there's going to be steps covering the sump pump here, and on the other side over here as well. There's going to be another set of steps, and there'll be seats on both levels, of course. At 165 inches, it's going to be on the bigger side, but I really want the screen to be immersive. And again, my second row is going to be my main row. So the wides are going to be right here, angled towards the listening position. I'm going to have my first set of surrounds on about here, maybe about right there. And my second set of surrounds is going to be around there. There's going to be walls behind here. This is going to be a really big lower level. This is actually a basement level. But yeah, the home theater is going to be a component of it. Obviously, me and my family are incredibly blessed that we're able to do this, especially in a moment in time where there's a lot of economic uncertainty, and I can't thank that enough. I really hope you guys continue watching. It's going to really help promote the channel, and I think this room is going to bring the channel to the next level, because this is definitely one of the most passionate things that I like to do. And this room is gonna, my previous room was amazing in my opinion, but this room I'm basically gonna take all the things that I've learned throughout the years and implement it into this room and have it it's gonna be basically my dream theater, like from day one. Like I said, my end game theater, this is taking everything that I've learned throughout the years and just pouring it into one room and trying to get the best theater experience on a relatively affordable budget. So this is basically where I think the TV is going to go here in the rec room. This is basically the location of the TV. This is where the wet bar is going to go, over here in this corner of the room. And obviously this is going to be a nice walkout area where you can just walk out into like our yard. Obviously our land here is pretty hilly, so not the flattest piece of land, but then again, this gave us the opportunity to have a nice walkout in our basement, which is nice, even if it's in a more narrow corner of the yard. This is just a bedroom that I'm actually going to use this room as like a stereo listening room, where I'm going to have like a pair of speakers in here, and it's going to be pretty cool. It's going to have its own bathroom, and it's going to be great. There's going to be a gym in here, like more like a kid gym, like an indoor gym for the kids. And my office is going to be down there. So this is going to be like my dominion, the basement level of the house. But yeah, obviously they're about to start doing framing. You can see some wood up there, and up there you can see some lumber. I don't know if you can see it, but they are going to start framing soon. So I'm really excited. Well, anyway, I know it's not much to look at right now, but it's gonna be a really great theater, and I really helps the channel if you can like and subscribe. And if you want to see, I'm gonna try to give all the updates that I can, and I'm gonna try to cover everything that goes into making this theater a theater. But again, this is just like the first video that I'm gonna be making. This is the very beginning. Like, this is just bare walls, but I'm going to show you every stage. I'm going to show you drywall. I'm going to show you like wiring. I'm going to show you as much as I possibly can without slowing down the project of building our home, obviously. But this is going to be an incredible project, and I think you're going to enjoy watching it, and I'm going to enjoy doing it, and I think it's going to be awesome. But anyway, get subscribed and so you don't miss any of these update videos that I'm going to be posting throughout this process. Again, we're planning for the house to be done next summer, hopefully. So yeah, I'm going to be posting videos as often as I can until next summer. So, but yeah, really, me and my family are extremely blessed, and we're really happy, and we're really excited for the new house, and obviously I'm really excited for my new theater. I'm also going to have different rooms. I'm going to have a really awesome rec room with a bar, with a nice wet bar in it. So there's going to be other rooms that I'm going to be able to cover as well, but this is definitely the main room that I'm going to cover. But yeah, see you in the next one.